Hi, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate here in Northwest Ohio. And you're not the only one who wants to learn. Today's topic for my Northwest Ohio real estate update is taken from the front page of one of the most well-read and highest-rated financial newspapers in the U.S., the Wall Street Journal. The story ran last week, and the story started for me a week or so ago when a reporter for the Wall Street Journal called me and said, "Hey, tell me about the viability of Toledo as a residential investment market." We set up a time to talk. I interviewed with her a couple of times, gave her some information, and that time allowed me to gather the data points for her to review and to show her not only is Toledo a great place, it is in fact one of the best residential investment markets in the whole country. I'll tell you why, and you can read the article. I'll have a link included with the copy here to this blog post. Number one, we're very affordable, and by the word very, I mean really affordable. We have an investor-friendly government. We have an investor-friendly political landscape, an investor-friendly court system. We have a great variety of investor-friendly housing stock and types. And we have a great job market and outlook, which is what you want if you're an investor in residential property. We have a diverse economy that rolls out booms and kind of makes them a little less painful in housing busts and housing prices. But the greatest feature, bar none, that I explained to this reporter, it's that our market is still affordable. It is very affordable. $100,000, even less than that, even down to $50,000, buys a great home in good to great condition in Northwest Ohio in the city of Toledo. And that apparently, to my shock and surprise, is not the case in New York City or Manhattan or Long Island or LA or Orlando. $100,000 does not buy you anything livable in those towns. So imagine if you're an investor from far away, you think of the handicap and the risk you face investing 1,000 or more miles away from home with no one that knows you, no boots on the ground, and you still choose to put your money to work in Toledo real estate. That's how strong our market is. That's how much better investing in Toledo is over other markets. Needless to say, this was a great press for me. I appreciate the press. I used to be an editor and a reporter at the University of Toledo Collegiate a long time ago when I went to UT. So I know how to give good press, and we're still getting calls and emails from new clients who read this Wall Street Journal. I'll give you some quotes from the article. Toledo is a real estate gold mine. Toledo is top of the realtor housing market in the United States rankings. And by the way, if you read the article, those are my clients and my buyers who are quoted. Thank you, clients, and photograph of the story. Thank you very much for that. So who should buy in Toledo? Well, anyone who is a serious investor with money to invest, whose own personal financial picture is stable, and wants to invest some of their net worth away from a 401k, away from stocks and bonds, and into rental property. Is that you? Well, that depends. Is that me? Yeah, I'm already investing. I have a portfolio, and this article, again, is linked to this post. Again, I want to say thank you to Hannah and Jack and Leah and Nell for participating. And if you want to invest in Toledo, it is, in fact, the best market in America after all. You just have to just call John and read the article in the Wall Street Journal. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing. It never stops, and we're doing things today in marketing and selling homes that were impossible 20 or 30 years ago. So my team is always changing too, and we're ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. And this tradition of trust ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts like always tell the truth and treat others better than you would want to be treated yourself. So we can't wait to help more people buy, sell, and manage and grow their real estate holdings here in Toledo. Thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have real estate questions, if you want me to opine on an opinion, you don't have to be a Wall Street Journal reporter. You just have to call John. I'm at 419-466-SOLD. I answer my phone. So call me. Check us out at modene.com, and we'll help you out. Thanks for your time.